Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I am here to talk about the skincare line called The Ordinary that is sold at Sephora. I was very skeptical about this skincare line, um, specifically because the prices are so low. But then I did some research and I heard that the products are just like the chemical itself. It is just a target. Sorry, I'm moving my camera really quick. Oh, it's like kind of crooked. Okay. So the products are supposed to target just one specific problem. I did go on Google and I saw a lot of before and after pictures, and it kind of did encourage me to try the skincare line. And also I did watch a little bit of reviews, um, and I did find that a lot of people got good results from it. And I, searched for the products and also did my research on the product itself before I bought it, so I know what I want and what is best for my skin. So I bought 3 things in total, and I will be showing you guys what these things are or these products are, and I'm also going to be telling you why I got them and like my problem areas on my skin. By the way, because the price is so low, that is another reason that I decided I wanted to get these products and try them, because it's not going to be something that I buy and then regret later because it is so cheap. Like, it might go wrong, but I didn't spend like a whole lot on it, so I was, not too worried about that. So I'm gonna start with the first thing that I got, which is the Ordinary Glycolic Acid 7% Toning Lotion with pH balance 3.6. Here is the box. It says it targets textural irregularities and lackluster tone. So it's supposed to kind of like fix the tone or the color of your face, and it's supposed to help with like texture and like, like bumps and stuff. And this is it right here. This came with another cap. It was just a regular like cap, like a shampoo, or how do I say it, like a water bottle cap on top. And then it comes with this extra, which is really helpful. You can just open it like this and it kind of is more sanitary. I wanted to get a toner because I wanted something different than what I already have. I have a toner. I get mine from Sally's. It's really cheap. It's about $5. And it reduces the oils on my face, which is great. And it also kind of gets rid of any acne on my face. It kind of just balances out the pH of my face, or just balances out in general. It also helps with my pigmentation. But the problem is, the one that I use from Sally's has alcohol in it, and I've been told that using alcohol on your face is not a good thing. It can lead to aging and other problems. So I wanted to try something new. I was hoping that, I can find something that works the same way, but it doesn't have alcohol in it. So that is why I got this toner here by The Ordinary. I honestly didn't like it at all. This made my face super oily, extremely oily. It was so greasy, it was gross. It made my face really red as well, which I don't think is a good thing. It didn't do anything for me. Anything positive? No, nothing. I think for somebody who has more dry skin, this would probably work very good for your skin. But for me personally, no. It was just too much. It's heavy, it's oily. I felt really gross all day. I tried everything like for 2.5 weeks, and it was just not for me. It was too oily. The second thing I got was the Niacinamide 10% and Zinc 1%, which is right here. This is the box. And then it's supposed to regulate sebum and minimize pores. Here it is. So this is the bottle for that. It is very simple. It doesn't have a lot of color in it. It is just a regular bottle. It looks like you can get this at a lab, like a, you know, like a scientist lab. And it comes with a little, what do you call it? I don't know. I forgot. My mom, I'm having like a brain fart. I don't remember what this is called. That thing. So that is why it is so cheap. Well, it's one of the reasons that it doesn't cost so much is because they don't use extra coloring, they don't use extra product in it, they don't use extra stuff that other companies use to advertise their products and stuff. So the niacinamide 10% and the zinc 1% is supposed to minimize my pores. This is the only product that worked out of all the products that I used. This is the only one that actually gave me effects. So my pores did get smaller a little bit. No, it wasn't like a drastic change. It was a little bit. It took a while for me to get my pores to get smaller. And again, I felt gross. I did try this in different ways. I tried it with water. I tried all of them like dry, on my skin dry, and then I tried to use them when my skin was wet to see if that makes a difference, and it did. It did kind of make a difference. It wasn't so oily, but it was still oily at the end of the day. This one, I did notice that my skin began to get a little tighter, so I can see how it was working. I can tell off the bat that it's doing something to my skin because my skin's getting tighter. And girl, you want your skin to get tighter. You don't want to get wrinkles, you want your skin to get tighter. It wasn't too bad of a product. I wasn't as disappointed as with the other ones, but still, I will not be buying this again because it makes my skin oily. I think I'm going to try to look for something that is going to minimize my pores once again, but not this one. And then I have the Hyaluronic Acid 2% and B5, which is right here. The bottle looks the same. It's just the regular, these two look like almost the same thing. You can get easily confused, so you do have to read it. This one is for hydration and repair. So I got the hydration and repair one, this one here, because I wanted a moisturizer again to kind of balance my skin out, not so much for I don't want my skin to look oily. I just want a simple moisturizer. And again, I was really disappointed. Way too greasy, way too oily. Never buying it again. My face broke out so bad from these products. It's ridiculous. I am just so disappointed at this point. There is a breakout here, and it's been I don't know, 3 or 4 days since I last used the product, and they're still there. They should have been gone already. Usually I don't break out with anything, and usually I don't get as much oil as I got when I used these products. It was disgusting. My face looked really gross. My coworkers began to notice. It was very embarrassing for me. I have a lot of discoloration now, and my face was just inflamed, and it was so red, and it's still red right now. And I have all these bumps, so many unnecessary bumps that I didn't have before. And my skin is not prone to breakouts, so I'm not really sure what happened, but it just doesn't work for me. And yeah, so that is all that I got. On a scale from 1 to 10, I would probably give it a 3. It was that bad, guys. I'm never ever buying The Ordinary again. I'm super disappointed. Then again, you get what you pay for. So I kind of learned a lesson. Maybe next time I need to try something a little more expensive. Although, when I do buy stuff from the drugstore, they work better than The Ordinary. To be honest, they worked way better than this. This guy here, the toner, was $8.70. Really cheap. The Hyaluronic Acid 2% and the B5 was $6.80. Again, really, really cheap. And the cheapest one was $5.90, which is niacinamide 10% and zinc 1%. So it's funny because the cheapest one is the one that worked for me, like a little bit. But yeah, so overall, never buying this product again. Never buying The Ordinary again. I'd say if you have really dry skin, maybe try this out. If you are prone to breakouts, do not try this. I don't recommend it for you. And yeah, that's all I have to say. I do have a moisturizer already. It's by Caudalie. It's the Vino Perfect one. It kind of looks like that too. It's a like a glass, a clear glass. It's like a white liquid, and then it's got the little dropper. That's what it's called, a dropper. So it's got a little dropper as well, and that's been working for my skin really good. It's lightweight. These products are very, very heavy. The Ordinary is very heavy on my skin. Although the Caudalie has some products that are not so light, they're a little heavier, but that's for people who need a lot of moisture. It does claim to do that. So, I'll be doing a review about that later, but for now, this is my review for The Ordinary. I didn't do my face today. I didn't put any makeup on because I wanted you guys to see where my skin is right now. And the worst part is it's been like 5 days and it's still not as good. It was way worse though. I was super, super red right here. So red. It was embarrassing. People were telling me like, are you okay? Are you dehydrated? Do you need some water? It was embarrassing. They also sent me these samples. Here's the box. They're lipstick samples. I'm excited to try these because I've never tried a Dior lipstick. So here they are. Super excited about that. Thanks, Sephora, for the samples. I do appreciate them. I like to try new things. I think that is all for today. Let me know if you guys want to see more skincare videos. Let me know if you have suggestions about things that you want me to try. I am willing to try anything at this point. Let me know what you guys want to see. Let me know if you want to see more videos of me doing like random stuff or like regular like everyday stuff, or if you want me to keep doing beauty stuff. Just let me know what you want in the comments down below. Comment anything you want. Tell me if you like this video or not. Let me know what you think about The Ordinary. Let me know if you've tried it. Give me a thumbs up if you really like this video, and if you don't, you can give me a thumbs down. And what else? Oh yeah, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos, and subscribe if you want to see my next video about skincare. I appreciate your support, and thank you all for watching from the bottom of my heart. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!